In this short tutorial, we are gonna fix Outlook error code 53003 problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solutions. The first solution is to repair Outlook. To do this, we go to the search and type Outlook. Then right-click on Outlook and open App Settings. After opening App Settings, scroll down and click Repair. If we are using the old Outlook, what we need to do is go to Search and open Control Panel. After opening Control Panel, we find Microsoft Office among our applications. You may also have Office 365 or just Outlook. After finding it, right-click on it and click Change. After clicking Change, click Quick Repair and then click Repair. Click Repair again to continue. This process may take some time. Repair is finished. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. Also, don't forget to like the video if you haven't already. The second solution is to remove and re-add our Outlook account. To do this, we open Outlook. After opening Outlook, click on File and then click on Account Settings. After that, we click Manage Profiles and click Email Accounts. Then we select our account and then click Remove. Here it asks if we want to take a backup of our offline cache files. We click No to backup these files and then click Data Files. After clicking Data Files, click Add and choose where we want to save the file. Since I have already created it, I need to change the name, but you will not need to do that. We have created our backup file. Now we can remove our account. We have removed our account. Now we close Outlook and open it again. After reopening Outlook, click on File and then click on Add Account. After doing this, we log into our account. We are logged into our account. If we are using Outlook New, what we need to do is very simple. After opening Outlook New, we open Settings from the top right. After clicking Settings, the Email Account section will open. Click Manage and click Remove. We tick Remove from this device and click OK. We have logged out of our account. Now we will log in again. We are logged into our account. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. Before I end the video, there is an alternative solution I would like to mention. Until the problem is solved, you can use Outlook from your browser. You can type Outlook login in your browser to log into your account. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.